Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the most delicious creamy green chicken enchiladas. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by prepping our chicken. Here I have 2 pounds of thinly sliced chicken breast. We're going to begin by drizzling a little bit of oil. Just make sure that it's all over the chicken. And season it with salt and black pepper. Okay, and just make sure to do it to both sides. And of course, if you don't want to cook your own chicken, you can always use rotisserie chicken to speed up the process. Okay, once we have prepped our chicken, we can get ready to take it to the stove. Okay, to cook our chicken, we're going to set our griddle over medium-high heat. And once it's nice and hot, going to place our chicken over. And just cook it 2 minutes per side or until it's fully cooked. Okay, once our chicken is done, we remove it from the griddle. Cover it with foil and repeat the process with the rest of the chicken. Alrighty guys, and once we have our chicken, we're just going to keep it covered and allow it to rest before we shred it. So I'm going to be using my same griddle. Just going to make sure to clean it up. Here we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low and just heat up a little bit of oil at a time. Add the tortilla and allow it to soften. Once it begins to blister, flip it over to the other side. Just allow it to fully blister like this. The tortilla should be nice and soft. Just remove it from the griddle and repeat the process with the rest of the tortillas. Okay, so once we have our tortillas, now we can get ready to roll our enchiladas. So get some of the chicken. Here I'm also going to be adding some cheese. And now just grab it and roll it. Just like that. We just repeat that process with the rest of our tortillas. Alright, once we have our enchiladas, now we're just going to keep them covered until it's time to cook them with our sauce. Okay, now to make our sauce, we're going to be adding our boiled tomatillos into our blender cup, along with our serrano peppers, roasted chile poblano, our cream cheese, 3 garlic cloves, our piece of onion, handful of cilantro, half a cup of Queso Oaxaca, along with our media crema and crema mexicana. Now we're just going to be blending into smooth. Wait, we almost forgot. Also add the salt, black pepper, ground cumin, and oregano. Now blend until smooth. Ready? And once we have that, now we can get ready to take it back to the stove. Alright guys, now here we're going to be setting our pan over medium heat. And once it's nice and hot, we're going to add half of our sauce. And just make sure to taste your sauce for salt. But here we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Okay, once our sauce has come to a simmer, now we can get ready to add our enchiladas. And just arrange them however they fit in your pan. And once we have added them into our pan, now we're just going to cover them with the rest of our sauce. And here we're going to top them with the Queso Oaxaca. Okay, now just cover them and allow that cheese to melt. Alright guys, and after a few minutes, our delicious enchiladas are done. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. And let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. These enchiladas are seriously super easy to make. They're so delicious, so creamy. They're honestly the best. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. They're so good. From the chicken to the sauce, everything's just so perfect. And they're not spicy, but of course you can always adjust that. But these right here, they're so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make super easy and delicious creamy green chicken enchiladas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.